think it's okay now. Just join you.
Okay, good morning everyone.
Morning.
Last class, I guess we have started a little bit about the alimentary canal, that is mouth, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, okay, this dental formula is left. So there are four. So in the mouth, inside the mouth, the cavity. Cavity means the empty space that is known as the buccal cavity or oral cavity. Cavity is the most commonly used term. Okay, and inside the buccal cavity there is teeth and tongue, two most important, uh, you can say, part during digestion. Okay, so the teeth and tongue. So in the tongue there are taste buds. All of you know this one discussed that class. And the teeth, they are of four types in adult. In adult human beings, the teeth are of four types. That is incisor, canine, premolar, and molar. Incisor is the front teeth. Canine is that little bit sharp one, no, at the side. And premolar is molar is the last teeth, and premolar is before that. A small one, but it is a bit like round shaped. Okay, so dental formula. This is the dental formula. Dental formula means this is the um, I will show you how it is. So this upper one is considered the upper jaw. Jaw, you know, the in the mouth, the jaw is there. So upper jaw and lower jaw, right? So in an adult human being, there are 32 teeth. 32 teeth. Like in most people there are 28, and in a few people there are 32. So the total number of teeth in an adult human being is 32. So this 16 on top and 16 down, right? 16 on the upper jaw and 16 on the lower jaw. So this part is no, considered the upper jaw, and this is the lower jaw. Like 2123 divided by 2123, right? This 2123 is a like you can say measurement of the upper jaw. How is it? It is done. I'll just explain it to you. Okay, so uh, this two is for the incisors, okay, and one for the canine premolar, 2, 3 for the molar. Okay, just remember that this 2 is for incisor, this 1 is for canine, this 2 is for premolar, and this is for molar. Like same way, incisor, canine, premolar, molar. Same way here also, incisor, canine, premolar, molar. Same for this one also, incisor, canine, premolar, molar. Okay, now what it does is that the like mouth, the teeth structure, if you divide the teeth structure in between, like this, okay, in between, if you like symmetrically, if you divide your mouth, then one side will be 2 and this side, like 2 this side, 2 1 this side, and like 2 incisors will be the left side and 2 incisors will be right side. So total incisors are 4 on the upper jaw. Am I making sense? If you like from your nose, in between your like eyebrows, from your nose, lips, and
Yes, ma'am.
if you divide it like left and right half, so if you divide the mouth into left and right half, there will be 2 incisors on the left and 2 incisors on the right. So when in your teeth, like the first 4 teeth, like first take the upper jaw, the first 4 teeth, in between the 4 teeth are incisors. Okay, the 4
Yes,
teeth
ma'am.
are incisors, and next each side like 4 is there, then this side also 1, that side also 1, 1 1 is canine, then premolar, this side also 2, that side also 2, like 2 2 4, total of 4. Then molar is the last end one, like 3 3 at the end, there will be 3 3. And for those who have 28 teeth, for them the number of molars will be 2 and 2, not 3 and 3. Okay, same for the lower jaw also. Okay, so total number of how many incisors are there in like the upper jaw? Total number of incisors in the upper jaw is 4. Canine is 2, premolar is 4, molar is 6. Okay, because this formula is made by dividing the mouth into left and right, upper and lower. Okay, left and right, upper and lower. So that is why you have to multiply each one by 2, like 2 into 2 4, 1 into 2 2, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 2 6, like that. Because each side, this is, you can consider this as one side, okay, left side, like you can consider this as one side, left side. So right side also will be there, so like that. Okay, and this lower jaw also same way, the 4 front teeth, those are the incisors, then at the side those are canines, then at the side the 2 2 are there, there is 4, those are premolars, and at the end those are the molars. Okay, so total number of canines in a human the total number of incisors in the both upper and lower jaw will be 4 plus 4 8. Okay, total number of incisors in a human being, adult human being, is 8, and total number of canine is 4. Okay, because 1 1, that side also will be 1 1 2 2, 1 2 3 4, like that. Okay, so it will be 4. For premolars again it will be 8, 2 this side, 2 upper, 2 lower, upper left, lower left, upper right, lower right, right. So 8, then molars will be 3 plus 3 6 12. So this side also 3, this side also 3, it will be 12. So molars will be 12. Okay, this when you are asked to what is the dental formula, you have to write 2123 divided by 2122, and the total number of incisors and all, just remember it. Okay, on the upper jaw it will be 4, lower jaw it will be 4, so total it will be 8, like that for all the other teeth. Okay, and
Excuse me,
remember,
ma'am.
yes.
Uh, is it normal to have three incisors in the lower jaw, ma'am?
Actually, it does not. It normally for people, it there are not the incisors are 4 in the lower jaw, not 3. But maybe because of some deformities, 3 might occur. But like for some people the teeth it comes out from different way. No, that is why they have to be removed and stuff like that. But generally in normal human beings it is not like that. Do you have three?
No, ma'am. One of my friend has three incisors in the lower jaw.
But maybe he has like according to like when he was born it will be like four only, but maybe because of some deformities he has three, but generally it does not occur. Okay, maybe
Okay, ma'am.
some for some people, have you seen like the teeth it comes out from different side, it comes out from different side because there is no space on the like jaw, there is no space on the jaw there, therefore it comes out from different side and that is why it has to be taken out. Maybe that thing happened, maybe.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Oj, patrzcie. Oha.
Okay, so this is about the mouth. That is the beginning of alimentary canal. Okay, next is pharynx. Pharynx. So this one is the pharynx. Let me show you. This portion. This is the mouth, right? This is the mouth like this. This portion is the pharynx. This is the tongue. So this will be the pharynx. This is not the tongue, I guess. Yes, yes, this one. But it is shown in the diagram, that is why it is given like this. Anyways, so uh, this is the this portion means if you open your like mouth bigger and if you see you will see this portion. You can see this portion. Okay, that is the pharynx. So what is the function of the pharynx? So um have you seen that that is also you people call some like sort of a tongue only, but it is very small. Have you seen it in your like what to say? When you open your mouth wide and if you see it in a mirror, you will see a small tongue like shape right at the opening, at the end of your
Yes, ma'am.
general tongue. Yes, that is known as epiglottis. Okay, epiglottis. That is known as epiglottis. And what does it do? It like it helps. See the. Let me show you the diagram. The canal from the nose and the mouth it joins. Okay, that is why while like sometimes while drinking water and all or eating something, it like it comes through your nose pipe, right? And like you will cry and all, so much water will come out from your eyes and it is very uncomfortable. Why is it? Because the pipe nose pipe and the like the pipe that goes from the mouth, it it meets the same place. Okay, it meets the same place and this is the place where it meets. Okay, so it meets the same place. So that is why in order to prevent like when you are swallowing things, when you are eating and swallowing things, it may go through your nose also and it may not go through your esophagus. Generally when you're swallowing things it should come like this down below like this, but it will, but since this passage is also open, this thing is also open, it may go like this. Okay, and the tongue, that epiglottis we are talking about, that tongue helps to like stop the food from going into the windpipe. Windpipe means the pipe that goes from the nose. Okay, during swallowing of food, when we swallow like when we what to say eat food like whatever breakfast and whatever you are eating, when you eat food, so it may without that epiglottis it may go into that windpipe, that is the pipe from the nose, because it is the same pipe means both will like meet in the esophagus only. Okay, this one, this nose pipe will also come like this only, and the mouth will also come like this only. Okay, that is why there are chances of food going into the nose windpipe. Okay, and that is the function of this epiglottis. The function of the epiglottis, that is that small tongue-like structure, is that it prevents food from going into the windpipe while swallowing food. Okay, and that epiglottis, it is found in the pharynx region. Okay, and epiglottis is found in the pharynx region, and generally the pharynx, it like food, it travels through the pharynx, because from the mouth the next uh, what to say, next portion is the pharynx. Okay, and then from the pharynx what will happen, like this is the esophagus, right? Okay, so from mouth it will come to the pharynx, you'll bite and swallow and everything, swallow, and it will come to the pharynx, then to the through the esophagus it will come like this, and then to the stomach, right? So now next is the stomach. So stomach, it is divided into three parts. Just remember the parts. The stomach, it is divided into three parts. That is, here it is written, see, cardiac, fundic, and pyloric. Three parts. So see, when people normally people say like this is the stomach, right? On top of your below your chest, this portion is the stomach. But generally it is not true. Means scientifically it is not true. Stomach is this little bag inside that. Okay, the whole portion is not called the stomach. So this bag inside your, below your chest, this bag, that is known as the stomach, not the entire portion. Even though we call this as the stomach, but that is this whole portion, this is the abdominal cavity, abdomen, not stomach. But generally we call it stomach, right? But that is not stomach, it is abdomen. So this stomach, it is divided into three parts. Okay, the stomach is divided into, just you have to remember that stomach is divided into three parts, that is cardiac, fundic, and pyloric. Okay. Okay, next is small intestine and large intestine. This portion is a small one, this one is the large intestine. Okay, here the digestion takes place. Not only digestion will take place in the mouth, then in the here also, then in the stomach also it will take place, and in the intestines also it will take place, and in the duodenum also it will take place. Okay, but everywhere digestion will take place. And this is, I like, after it will, the food will pass to the large intestine, it will get out of the body. Okay, and it will be like processed in the intestines, and then it will come out of the body. It's the waste materials or the excreta, you can say. So stomach, it is the longest part of alimentary canal. Okay, sorry, not stomach, small intestine. Small intestine, by looking at the figure only you can see, right? So much, this one, this much, this one, like this one. So this is the largest, longest part of the alimentary canal. That is the small intestine. Okay, and we will obviously discuss what which materials are digested and how things are digested. We will discuss that later. But now we're just uh, like discussing little bit about the structures. Okay, so the small intestine, it is divided into duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. See, it starts from here. So duodenum, this portion is a jejunum. Okay, and this portion up from here, it is the ileum. Okay, starting from here, duodenum, this starting from here is the small intestine. Okay, so this is the duodenum, then comes jejunum, this portion is jejunum, then comes ileum, this portion is the ileum. Okay, like stomach, the small intestine is also divided into three parts, that is duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. You can give your attendance, everyone. Don't stay up to the last. You can give it now. Okay. Now this ileum will open into the large intestine. Okay, this ileum, this is the ileum is the end of the small intestine, and then it will open into the large intestine. Okay, large intestine is also again divided into three parts. Okay, large intestine is also divided into three parts, that is cecum, colon, and rectum. Let me show you diagrams. This portion open into the cecum, and this is the rectum. This one is the this is the colon, this is the rectum. This portion is the colon and rectum. Okay, this is known as ascending colon, this is descending colon, because no need to remember like ascending and descending, because this portion it comes like this, no, ascending and descending order, all of you know, ascending, descending. So that is why this portion, this is the starting from small, that is ascending, and then this portion is a descending colon. Okay, because it goes like down and it comes up like things excreta. If you imagine excreta, then it will come from this side, that is why this is ascending, and this will come from the this side down, that is why it is a descending colon. Then the rectum, this portion is the rectum, and then anus, through the anus it will move outside the the excreta. Okay, so this is the end of the alimentary canal, starting from the mouth, then pharynx. Okay, mouth has tongue and teeth. Then pharynx has this epiglottis, right? Then comes esophagus. Then stomach is divided into three parts: cardiac, fundic, and pyloric. Then comes the small intestine also three parts: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Then ileum will open into the large intestine. Okay, ileum will open into the large intestine, and the large intestine is also of three parts, that is cecum, colon, and rectum. Okay, this is the whole alimentary canal. Is it clear? This is the whole alimentary canal, starting from mouth. So what does alimentary canal, if you're asked what are the parts of alimentary canal, like only the names, so you have to write mouth starting. You cannot write it jumbled, okay, like pharynx, then small intestine, then stomach. You cannot write it like all messed up. Okay, you have to write it orderly. Like when you are asked to write the parts of the alimentary canal, you have to write mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, then small intestine, large intestine. Okay. And you can include, sorry, after pharynx you can include the esophagus. Okay, if you are asked to write it like only the names, if you are asked to write only the names, you can write mouth is okay, mouth, pharynx, then write esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. If you are asked only to write the names, if you are asked to explain, then you can explain only this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now what is the time? Otherwise it will end. Okay.
10:30.
Yeah, we have little bit time, because this class, it ends automatically after like 45 minutes. No, that is why I'm keeping track of time. Okay, we will complete the associated glands also. Next part we'll study about digestion. What things are digested and like what happens. Okay, which are the enzymes involved and everything. So today we will just try to complete the associated glands. That is the glands that are involved in digestion. Okay. First is salivary gland. Salivary gland, it is a type of exocrine gland. Okay. Glands, they are of three types. Okay. Just for your knowledge. Okay. Not required in this portion. Just for your knowledge. So generally, okay, what is a gland? So gland is an organ. Okay. Gland is an organ which secretes some substance. Okay, like I mean, so from the glands some substance will come out. Okay, whether it may be any juice or whether it may be any hormones, but from the glands certain substance will come out. So uh, from those organs certain substance will come out, and those organs are known as glands. Am I clear? So what are glands? Glands are nothing but organs which can secrete several substances, okay, or different substances. So glands are of three types. Okay, one is endocrine glands, one is exocrine glands, and one is heterocrine glands. So this salivary gland is a type of exocrine gland. Why exocrine gland? Endocrine glands secrete only hormones. Okay, just remember endocrine glands, they are also known as ductless glands, and they like release only hormones. For example, I'll give you an example. Thyroid gland. Okay, thyroid gland, thyroxine. That is a hormone, right? Thyroid gland. So that is a type of endocrine glands. But salivary gland do not release any hormone. Salivary gland, it releases saliva through the salivary duct, and this salivary gland is a type of exocrine gland. Okay, since it has duct, exocrine gland will have duct, endocrine gland will not have duct. So salivary gland releases saliva, and this salivary gland is a type of exocrine gland. So saliva, it plays a very important role in what to say, digestion. Okay, saliva, it has enzymes called as salivary amylase. We will discuss about saliva, salivary amylase this portion. Okay, but now I'm just for your own benefit, I'm just telling that saliva, it has enzymes known as salivary amylase. So those salivary amylase will help in the process of digestion. Okay, and salivary glands, they have three pairs of salivary glands. One is parotid, sublingual, and submandibular. Okay, three pairs of parotid. Pairs means both side, on both side of the mouth. In left side also, right side also, parotid gland will be found one on the left and one on the right. That is why pairs. Sublingual will one on the left, one on the right. Same way for submandibular. Okay, three pairs of salivary glands are there. For parotid, I can give you I can show you the position. Okay, if you open your mouth on the cheek, like on top, on the upper jaw portion, okay, on the cheek, you can, if you touch it with your tongue, you will see a like, what to say, a muscular portion, okay, little bit muscle, it is protruding muscle. Can you feel it on your cheek, on top, like on top, the top portion on your cheek, inside your cheek? There is a muscle. You can, normally it is smooth inside your cheek, it is smooth, but at that muscle, it is little bit protruding, or it is, what to say, a muscle is there which is like which is coming out. Okay, if you touch it with your tongue, you can feel it on top of your cheek, both side, left and right, both side. There is a portion where like it is not smooth. Okay, that is, what is that? That is the opening of parotid gland. That is the opening of parotid gland. Okay, on both side you can feel it. Sublingual and submandibular, you cannot feel it. It is under the skin. But parotid you can feel it. It is the opening of parotid gland on the cheek, on top of the cheek. Okay, when I was small, I thought I bit myself. That is why the skin came out. but no, that is the parotid gland and it is there only. Bulging thing. Okay, then next is the liver. Okay, liver is the largest gland. Okay, liver is the largest gland, and liver it has regenerative properties. Like this one, all of you know maybe that if your liver is if someone has a liver failure, maybe someone has a liver failure, like your family members, someone has a liver failure, and you donated the liver, you will donate just a piece of your liver, and it will grow into a new one. Okay, just from a little piece of the liver, it will grow into an entire full liver. Okay, the this is the only gland which has that capacity. Okay, that is the regenerative capacity, that is from a little piece it can grow into a new full grown liver. Okay, so if you donate your liver to someone, they will like cut a piece from your liver and give it to that person. After a few years, you will also have a full grown liver, and that person will also have a full grown liver. Okay, that is the and liver is the largest gland in the human body. Okay, the position here, I guess, is there is the liver. Yes, this one is the liver. This is the liver. Okay. Okay. So what does liver contribute in what to say in digestion? Liver contributes in digestion by this bile bile duct, bile juice. Bile juice is there. In case of chickens and fish, you have, I guess you have seen those green things. If that spills on the meat or the fish, everything will be like you cannot eat it because taste will be all spoiled, right? That green thing, that is known as the bile juice. Okay, bile juice, and it comes out through the bile duct. So that bile juice play a very important role in digestion. Okay, bile. Next is the pancreas. Pancreas is a type of heterocrine gland. I told like there are three types of gland, right? Endocrine, exocrine, and heterocrine. So pancreas is a type of heterocrine gland. Why heterocrine? Because pancreas can excrete hormone also, secrete hormone also, but and pancreas can secrete other substances also, not only hormones. Pancreas can secrete insulin and glucagon, very important hormones in diabetic patients, right? In all the people, but it plays a very important role in diabetic people, right? So those hormones are released by pancreas, and then there is pancreatic juice. So this pancreatic juice play a very important role in digestion. Okay, the pancreatic juice, it plays a very important role in digestion. So the exocrine part of the heterocrine gland, what will heterocrine gland have? Heterocrine gland will have exocrine part as well as endocrine part. Okay, and endocrine gland, they secrete hormones and they do not have ducts, right? Exocrine gland, they have ducts and they do not secrete hormones, they secrete other substances like salivary gland. And heterocrine gland, they have both exocrine and endocrine part. Okay, like pancreas. So exocrine part of pancreas, they will secrete pancreatic juice, and endocrine part of pancreas, they will secrete hormones, that is insulin and glucagon. Okay, so these are the three glands associated with digestion, that is salivary gland, liver, and pancreas. We will discuss more about this in next class. Okay, that is digestion of food is there. How this digestion occurs and what are the enzymes related and what everything does. Okay, bile, we will again talk about bile and the pancreatic juice and everything. Okay, and about the saliva, what enzymes are in the saliva. This one salivary amylase that I have already mentioned. This one salivary amylase, and there is lysozyme also. Okay. Okay. Okay, I everyone have, if you have any doubts from this portion, you can ask any doubts from this portion. Otherwise, we will to next class we will continue with digestion of food, how foods food is digested, and we till now we have just discussed only about the organs and the glands and the alimentary canal and the like shape of the structure, not shape, the structure of the digestive system, right? Next class we'll discuss how actually food is digested and those. Any doubts, please ask, and you can give your roll numbers. Do you like some guys? Do they give the roll numbers and then leave? Huh? Before I told you to give the roll numbers, they were 25, and after that there is only 20. How come? Hmm? How come? If you will be unfair, like dishonest, no. What I'll do, you know, I'll take at the end of the class. I'll take screenshots of the participant list, and then I'll only give attendance to the ones that are present at the end of the class. I can take screenshot of the participant list, so I'll take that out and give. I'll have more work, no doubt, but I'll do that if this one will continue. Let the everyone know, okay? CR, Carly, let everyone know.
Yes, ma'am.
See, it's now just 20. Before it was like many, 25 or 26 was there. How? Because they gave their roll numbers and they left. From next class onwards, today I will not do it. From next class onwards, I'll take a screenshot of the participant list at the end of the class, so that if you leave the class and then if there is roll numbers of you, I'll also find out that you are the one who left the class in between, and you will not get the attendance. Let them know. Okay, any doubts you ask, otherwise we will discuss in the next class. Also, you can ask doubts in the next class too, if there are any.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
It is out of the topic, but what is the gallbladder pot?
Gallbladder.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I thought the bile glands was called the gallbladder.
Bile glands was no bile. It is the bile duct is there. Okay, bile duct is there, and bile duct is the portion where, like, what to say, the bile juice it comes out. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am. So what is gallbladder pot?
okay, I will show you the diagram first, and then I'll explain. There is a diagram of the gallbladder in the. I guess there is a diagram in the of the gallbladder in the this one I showed you. Where is it? Okay, this is not out of topic, anyways. This is inside the topic only. Okay, this portion is the gallbladder, right? This is the gallbladder. This one small bulb-like thing. This is the gallbladder, and this is attached to the liver. Okay, this is attached to the liver means it is just down the liver. Okay, and this gallbladder is a place where that bile you are talking about now, that bile is stored. But bile it comes out through the bile duct. But the you can say the storeroom for in the houses also there is a storeroom, right, where the things are stored. So gallbladder is the store is the place where the bile is stored. Okay, gallbladder is the place where the bile is stored. Means there is bile inside the gallbladder. Okay, and then it comes out of the bile duct, and it comes out of the bile duct, and it there is a duct means a tube. Okay, duct is nothing but a tube. Okay, and yes. When I explained that in fishes and well in chickens also, and whatever you eat, so all those animals animals or like the birds, or mainly in fishes you used to see. So there is that green bag. No, that is the gallbladder. Inside it there is the bile. The green bag means like small pouch. That is the gallbladder. Okay, this one, and it is
Okay,
green in
ma'am.
color. Even though it is shown here like red or pinkish, it is not pink. It is green in color because of the presence of bile. Okay, and when you are empty stomach, this what to say, this bile acts. Okay, this one we will discuss later. Okay, like when you're full, you're eating meals, you're taking like food, this gallbladder is empty and afterwards it becomes full. That is also a partly a reason why when you feel like very hungry, it aches in your like stomach. Okay, that we'll discuss later. Okay, but the gallbladder is a place where bile is stored. Okay, and this is the structure of the gallbladder, and that green pouch that I was talking about, that is the gallbladder. Okay, is it clear now? Yes. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, can you hear
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, any more doubts are there?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next class you can come up with doubts if anyone have any doubts. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you repeat that salivary gland?
Salivary gland.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll again have to share. Okay, okay. Wait. Salivary, okay, before that, salivary gland has only one purpose. Okay, that is to release saliva. And salivary gland, it is a type of exocrine gland. Because why exocrine gland? Because it has a duct that is known as the salivary duct. And what is a duct? Duct is tube. Okay, and salivary gland, the only purpose of salivary gland is to release saliva. Okay, and saliva, it plays a very important role in digestion. The role of saliva and it does in digestion, that we will discuss next class. Okay, but salivary gland, it is of like this one. Three pairs are there, right? Parotid, sublingual, and submandibular. Three pairs, like two parotid glands, two sublingual, and two submandibular. There are three pairs of salivary glands. Okay, well, if it is asked what are the three pair, what are the pair, what are the pairs of salivary gland, or what are the types of salivary gland, then you have to write parotid, sublingual, and submandibular. Parotid position I showed, that bulge on the cheek. Inside your cheek there is a bulge or a like muscle, protruding muscle. That is the place where parotid gland is found. Okay, and then there is sublingual, submandibular. Okay, this one we will discuss later. Okay, only 2 minutes left, I guess.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Just go through at home, and if there is any more doubts, you can ask me next class. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you, ma'am.
you're welcome, ma'am.